How to set up Acuity booking site. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can use Acuity scheduling as a beginner and how you can set up your own booking website very easily. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply come to equityscheduling.com and you will land on this platform right here. Acuity allows you to create your own booking and scheduling website with a lot of different tools and features to help you create this amazing booking website. So what you have to do is you will simply come to this website right here, and now we just have to sign up. Sign up process is really easy. All you have to do is you will simply click on this icon right here which says try it out now. Equity scheduling is now a part of squarespace.com. So if you already have a squarespace.com, then you don't have to sign up again. Signing up for Squarespace is really easy. What you have to do is you simply sign up with your Google account, or you can simply go ahead and sign up with your email address. So I already had a squarespace.com, so that is why I don't need to sign up again. So you can see now, how do you want to use scheduling? What happens is there are two types of things we can do here. We can create a new scheduling trial, or I can actually go ahead and add a scheduling and booking feature into my existing website on Squarespace. So that is the two ways we can do that. So we can either go for a create new scheduling trial, or we can go for a scheduling Squarespace website. So as I am showing you how to set up a scheduling for your website, so I'm gonna go for a website that I already have created. So let's go with this website right here, and I'm gonna click on next. That means I will be setting up my scheduling on my website. So you can also use this for other websites as well, for example other platforms if you are using, but as Equity is available on Squarespace, so if you already have a Squarespace, then it will become really easy for you to use. Now you can see right here, make scheduling easy and fast. So this is my website name. Like, this was a demo website that I created, and then I just have to add my industry if I want to. So these questions will actually just help you manage your scheduling website better. So you just have to select any of the industry you are in. So I'm gonna go for digital marketing, and I'm gonna click on next. Set up your availability. These are the times when people are able to book their appointments. So I want them to book their appointments on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. There you go. So now I have all of these options right here. I'm gonna click on next, or we can just simply go ahead and close it for now because I'm going to show it to you. We can also set the availability right here. So these are the different options we are going to get. The first one was set your availability, that we just did. Then we have create appointment types. So I'm going to click on create appointment types, and now we have different types. We have add-ons and we have coupons. So it depends on you that which one of these you want to go for. New type of services, new type of group class. So I'm gonna go for new type of service, and I'm gonna add it here. Let's just say I'm in digital marketing, right? So what I am going to do is I have added my availability, like when I will be open for bookings, and that is the business days. Then I have to add that what type of new services I have, or what type of appointments people can make. Either they can use a coupon or not, if they can go for add-ons or not. So that is like basic how you would schedule your bookings, like on any other platform. That is how Equity works, and it really helps you to manage your appointments better with a website that you already have created. So what I am going to do is I have to add a new service. So let's just say that we are now also offering content creation. So now they can actually book their appointment for that. Well, this doesn't even like make that much sense, but if you are into other businesses, for example you have a salon, you are a therapist, then this timing and the names actually make a lot more sense. So for now I'm going to be providing, so the duration is going to be 30 minutes. Okay, yeah, okay, let's go for an hour, and I'm gonna go for 60 minutes. And after that, we have a price. This is where you have to actually set a price, and you have to, add the price that will be mentioned to your clients. So it depends on per hour what you are going for. So I am going for $50. Okay, I think 50 would be too much. So let's go with $30. So this is now, and now what I have to do is I will simply add a picture, because this is for the, thumbnail, and people will get a better idea about my service, as I would add an image and I would attach a file. So that's what you have to do, is you can simply go ahead and choose a file from your computer and add it right here. Now, access public. Clients can book this on your scheduling page. And the other option we get is private. Only admins and clients with the direct scheduling link can book this. So this is really important, because what happens is anybody can open up my website and they will, schedule a booking. Or I can go for a private one where only I will share the link to clients and to admins. So I am going to go with this one, because we are not open to public business. We're just open to clients and to, direct our admins and customers. So I'm going to go for this one. So I'm going to click on create appointment type, and it will be created. After that, add a scheduling to your website. Now, all I have to do is I will just set up a class and add it to my website. That is like pretty easy. Let's just go first and sign it with calendars, because that's really important. Because when you are scheduling and you are adding appointments, the most important thing is being punctual and scheduling it according to a calendar. So you can go with all of these different options. We have Google Calendar, we have iCloud, we have Outlook Office 365, we have Outlook Exchange, Outlook.com, and one way subscription. So I'm going to go with a Google Calendar, because that's like super easy, and you can simply connect your Google Calendar to your Acuity, and it becomes really easy for you to add and, schedule appointments according to your calendar. So what you have to do is you simply select your Google account, and once you select your Google account, then your Google Calendar will be connected to your Acuity. So now I'm going to go ahead and allow Acuity to get access to my Google Calendar. And once I do that, it will be added to my scheduling website. And then after that, all you have to do is you will set it up with your website, launch your website, and publish your website with a scheduling and booking option within. Your website will be a scheduling and booking website with Acuity. And that is how we do it super easily, and it's super easy to do. All you have to do is just, you need some information. And I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to set up your scheduling website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.